So just taking a quick look at Fantom on our daily time frame here. I thought I'd cover this because it's got such an interesting chart that definitely is worth covering in my opinion. You can see obviously we've got this very interesting chart. Big bear market range, the very clean range to be honest. We've got the break to the upside, didn't we? We came back for a really deep back test into the range. We got around the 50% retrace of that range you can see here that we've been looking at for quite a few of these larger cryptos. VeChain looks like this. There's a few others, Cardano, etc. all look very similar. And you can see Fantom here, no exception to this. I've obviously got this really interesting chart that looks like it's making a higher high, a higher low, looking for that higher high back up towards the all-time high going into the bull market. But in this local area, another interesting anomaly has occurred. Got this really lovely inverse head and shoulders pattern that I've been talking about. You can see left shoulder, head, right shoulder, the neckline here that got broken with a big impulse, which also included this downtrend resistance, which I thought was a nice extra layer to it, which I thought was really interesting. We actually broke to the upside, and over the past few weeks we've been chopping sideways violently here, as people probably are accumulating for continuation for Fantom. Overall, I think these cryptos, Fantom, AVAX, Solana, all these platforms are going to do really well in the next bull market. Polygon also probably going to do really well, although it's been smashed down a lot more than a lot of cryptos have. You can see that Fantom in particular here looking really bullish, to be honest. You could argue that we've actually, ever since we came down and made this low, we've actually been, you know, looking quite bullish in general compared to a lot of cryptos. We've clearly come down into this area of demand, and now we've really just basically made a higher high, come down to the 023 higher low, and now we're looking to target up towards the all-time high, which is around $3.50, which is around a 5x from the current price, which would be a really nice move, obviously. We did get around a 5x from this low to this high here, didn't we? It's actually more than that. 15 cents up to $1-ish. So you'd say probably around a 5 or a 6x. And it does seem likely that that could be the case again. You can see this is a very looking quite textbook, to be honest. We've obviously got our range, the breakout, the back test, grabbing liquidity inside before continuing upwards. Overall looking really bullish in general, and an interesting chart. I do think, like I said, Fantom and AVAX, Solana, Polygon, I think all these cryptos are going to be underappreciated. Even Cardano, which is probably pretty much a ghost chain at this point. Tron, even Tron has been having a decent time, which says a lot really. And I do think that we are going to see some good moves for these kinds of cryptos, 5, 10, maybe even 20x's for some of the smaller ones. They are being overlooked. Obviously, meme coin season is continuous at the minute, especially on Solana. But I do think we are going to see a rotation into some of these cryptos in the actual bull market, especially when retail does come. Overall, we're just chilling and waiting for that to happen. Make sure to get a trading bot from the description below. Sign up to Bybit for a huge 30k bonus down below as well. And like and subscribe for more.